While I am confident that cases within the borders of the US and other countries with strong public health systems will be brought under control, it is devastating to see the impact many diseases have on families across West Africa. During such times, it becomes even more crucial for organizations like ASTMH to raise public awareness about the importance of global health for everyone in our increasingly interconnected world. I hope this strengthens the resolve to do more to alleviate the disease burden in poor countries, not only from emerging killers like Ebola but also from pathogens that have held back human potential for thousands of years. This is why I devoted most of my time at the conference to another deadly disease, malaria. Based on the progress I have seen in the lab and in the field, I now believe that we can eradicate malaria. In other words, I believe we can completely eliminate it in every country. This represents one of the greatest opportunities in global health. Some people, when I talk about eradication, have said in the past and still say that it is overly optimistic. After all, malaria is an extremely complex target and has thwarted previous eradication efforts. However, I am confident that the future is different from the past, because we have seen a significant increase in resources and brainpower focused on this disease. Since 2004, countries have eliminated malaria, and in the next decade, 24 more countries could achieve this. Worldwide death rates have decreased significantly by 42% during this period. This is good news that may make critics of foreign aid think twice before voicing their claims. Today, more than 3.3 million people who would have died from malaria are alive. And today we have tools we have never had before. A strategy to eradicate that will make the whole greater than the sum of its parts is very clear. This strategy has three components: complete detection, complete treatment, and complete prevention. Complete detection deviates from current approaches that focus only on finding and treating people with active malaria cases. To achieve eradication, health workers must find all individuals with parasites in their blood, regardless of whether they show symptoms. Complete treatment means using treatments that clear all malaria parasites from the body. Our best anti-malaria treatment today, known as ACT, artemisinin-based combination therapy, usually clinically cures the patient but does not eliminate all forms of parasites responsible for ongoing transmission. Therefore, we should intensify efforts to develop long-acting, single-dose malaria treatments that can completely clear malaria parasites from the body and provide a period of protection after treatment. Complete prevention means reducing opportunities for mosquitoes to transmit the parasite to humans and preventing the emergence of resistant species to drugs and insecticides. We will need new generation vaccines that prevent transmission for 6 months to a year so that once an area is cleared of parasites, it remains clear. Additionally, we will need new insecticides to counteract the widespread emergence of mosquito resistance to the chemical compounds we currently use. We might even need cutting-edge approaches, such as introducing specialized fungi to kill mosquito populations or inserting modified genes to halt mosquito breeding. I believe not only that malaria eradication is possible but also that it is necessary. Ultimately, the cost of controlling this disease indefinitely is not sustainable. The only way to stop this disease is to end it forever.